Welcome to a very brief overview of the Architectural Graphics Standards Reference Database. Start by going to the library website, library.okstate.edu. Make sure that you are logged in using your OK State credentials. You could type in the title of the book there in the search bar, but it actually is not handy that way. So just click Databases, scroll on down, and right now it is labeled new because it is a brand new database for us. And once we get to the actual resource, you'll see our logo there. That's how you know that you are getting all the premium content. It is set up like the text itself using that uniformat organization, but it's very handy in that it is a fully searchable. So I'm going to use human factor as our first search because that's the first section of the text itself. So I'm going to functional planning using that uniformat organization again. And I can look at the different text features here, but it also has the diagrams. It also has downloadable CAD files for you to work with. It's just really very interactive and amazing. And here it is. As you can see, it's exactly the same information that is in the print book. It is accessible 24/7 by unlimited amount of users. It is so handy. If you need more help, here's my information. Thanks, guys.